What's going on, everybody? Chris from Out West with Chris, out on the California Delta. Little after work session. It's almost 5 p.m. My buddy Dean said something the other day that guys who fish in the evening are lazy fishermen. Well, maybe that's the case, but I'm just trying to fish whenever I can fish. So Dean can suck it. Out here, hopefully I can get on some fish. Hopefully I won't get run over by any of the pleasure boaters, and we can find some fish out here, figure them out, and go from there. So let's get after it. Oh, the pleasure boaters. There actually weren't that many people parked at this launch, so I was thinking it was gonna be quiet out here, but already here's a few. So, oh well, I deal with it all the time. Okay, got a little guy. All right, sparse toolies. Shallow, but it's a little guy. Oh, he's better than the last one. Yeah, not a bad fish. Okay. It's not bad. A couple pounder. What did you do with that hook? Seriously. Oh, the hook came out. Jeez. Yeah, the hook went all the way through. Oh, there we go. Alright. Not bad. I thought that guy was a little bit bigger. So I'm in an area that used to be mats out pretty far. This floating vegetation was out far, and the state has repeatedly sprayed out here and just killed it back and back and back. But the vine, the woody part of the plant, you know, it doesn't just disappear. So I keep getting hung up on it. I should be fishing a Texas rig or something like that. Something a little more weedless, but oh well. You can see the vines in there. And yeah, I think that's probably where the fish are gonna be. Had a fish there, little guy. Pretty sure. Could have been a big guy, just a little bite. There's a big fish. Man, he felt better. It's not horrible, but he felt bigger than that. Whew. Jeez. Skinny. Go eat some stuff. Still catching quite a bit of wind. I think I might be able to hide from it a little bit more when I round this corner over here. So we'll see. If I can, I'm gonna try to get some top water going. If this spinnerbait doesn't really pan out, I am gonna probably tie something top water onto this. I also have a popper on. Been doing good on the popper lately. But with low tide, the popper's not always the best option. Alright, let's try the popper out. I caught my first fish on the popper today, and yeah, it's a little striper. Okay, there's a fish. Okay, he's off. Quick release, I like it. Oh my gosh. What the frick was that? I got him. Okay, got him. Got him. He's a good fish. Heavy. Yeah, that's a good fish. Oh gosh. Nothing huge, but I'll take it. He swirled on the freaking popper, but I did a follow-up shot of the Senko to catch him. Nothing huge. He's a good 3-pounder though, 3.5 probably. Yeah, he's a good fish, aren't you? Yeah. Huh, you fought harder than you look, actually. Probably 2.5. All right, let's get him in. Whew. That felt good. Okay, shut off my freaking camera because I'm a dummy. It's another good one. He's fighting hard. Nothing huge, but yeah, that's a good fish. It's got shoulders on him. We like that. Nice. That's a nice solid fish. Oh, jeez. He's got something on him. Hang on. Let's help you out, dude. Jeez. Got a hook in him. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but he's got a hook right here. Right in here. Yeah, man. Whew. That's crazy. It was stuck here. This sore is just from that hook rubbing him over and over. Alright, dude. He's ready. He's already chomping at the bit. Yeah, there he goes. Sweet. Nice popper fish. I like it. I like it. I like this net. Really like this rod and reel combo. This is the Custom Speed Stick Lite, and it's the Custom Lite speed spool as well. So it's really, actually, I know it probably goes without saying, but super lightweight combo. So this is a really nice reel. Performance is good on it, both the rod and the reel. I have like 3 or 4 rods in the Custom Speed Stick Lite line. This was my first Custom Lite reel, and I really like it. I just caught a little largemouth. I don't think I got it on camera. Oh, because I'm a dummy. But he wasn't that impressive, so. Starting to wonder how many fish I've missed today on camera. Like I said before, I am definitely not the world's best YouTuber. Thank you guys for watching, those of you that do. Those of you who are willing to put up with me and, you know, my no frills approach to YouTube. I'm probably pretty boring for the average person, which I don't give a crap. But for those of you that do watch, appreciate it. And yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. So thank you for watching. Like I said in the video when I was out there on the water, really appreciate when you guys do watch. I don't do a whole lot of gimmicky stuff on my fishing videos, occasionally, but not too often. So if you guys have any questions or comments, I'll do my best to answer them in the comment section down below. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, thanks for getting out west with Chris.